think everyone who is a thinking and concerned citizen wants to do something for their environment. And this is a perfect example of what someone can do. And it's a better example of exactly what we're looking for in government from our people. And the riddles are a perfect example of what can be done, and if you're willing to do that. I want to thank them for their participation. I want to congratulate them on their win, and I want to also thank the contractors for their gracious time and effort in making all this possible as well. With efficiency and with certain programs available through the city, you can cut your utility cost and at the same time do something for the environment. So this is a perfect example of a communion of that effort.
Yeah, I think what the family will tell you is, despite all the energy efficiency improvements in there, one of the greatest assets is the comfort level that's there now. So this is really a home. You know, one room isn't a different temperature than the other, and there's just so much more enjoyment to be in the house instead of fighting your home like we always often do.
The Electric and Gas Industries Association is a nonprofit organization. We work very closely with utility companies, manufacturers, distributors, and home improvement contractors all across the country focused on implementing energy efficient home improvement. And we're very happy to have had the opportunity to sponsor this home energy makeover contest with Anaheim Public Utilities.
This program is what we call the Home Investment Package, and what we're trying to do here is to go into people's homes, show them how to save energy, show them how to reduce their bills, but basically go in and diagnose the entire home based on real building science. So once we know that, then we know exactly what we can recommend, what's going to be cost effective, and what's going to make the home more comfortable and safe as well.
We're trying to be environmentally sensitive, so that's our goal. But there are several ways to do that, and of course, we want to get our citizens involved in the same process of trying to improve the environment.
If you have a big bill and you've got a family, you need to do anything that you can to try to get that bill reduced considerably. I just think it's wonderful. I'm so happy this city, I'm so proud of this city that they're doing programs like this, which just helps everybody.
Well, when we first bought our house, it was towards the end of the summer, and we got our first utility bill. It was a rather large utility bill. It was almost $600. When you look into buying a house, you look at the cost of the mortgage, but not necessarily the cost of the utility bill, and we knew that our utilities were high, and we needed to check into saving any way we could.
We need to be environmentally responsible, but at the same time there's an energy and a dollar cost associated with everything. So customers are always looking for ways to reduce their bills. There's usually a winter peak and a summer peak, and those bills are kind of surprising sometimes, a little more than they're expecting. So it's a great tool to reduce bills and save the environment.
There were some incentive programs that if you installed certain appliances and stuff, you got rebates, etc. And that was helpful. We replaced a couple of appliances that we can afford, and the city gave us generous rebates back on that.
The best place for residents to go to learn about the program is to go directly to the city's website, go to www.anaheim.net, and then go to Utilities Department and For Your Home.